Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve the javaws.exe application error, unable to launch application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to resolve it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, search for configure Java. Go ahead and open that up. Select the Update tab, and then select where it says Update Now in the bottom right. If there's any new updates available, I'd recommend selecting the Update option on the screen that would appear. And then once that's done, that should be about it. That's all you should have to do. And like I said, pretty straightforward process on that. If you don't see Java in the search menu, you may have to go onto Java or Oracle's website, download and install Java, and then hopefully that would be about it. You have the most up-to-date version. You can also come back in here and check out the security tab, and then where it says enable Java content for browser and web start applications, you want to make sure that is checkmarked. So it should be on by default, but you just want to make sure it's checkmarked in there, and then select OK to save it, or apply and OK. And that's pretty much it. One final thing you can look at too, if we went back underneath the Java settings here, underneath general, underneath temporary internet files, select the settings button, select delete files, and then you just want to make sure that the trace and log files and cached applications and applets are both checkmarked, and select OK. And then that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.